Okay, welcome guys. Yes, in this video I'll be doing a live proof for you. I'll be withdrawing from this old TRX platform that has been paying since. Okay, it has been paying since. First thing that let me withdraw from this and see how this payment is very fast from this platform, guys. Okay, I have 126 TRX in this platform. Okay, within the amount I want to withdraw, is 125 TRS in this platform. Okay, yes, now is I'll be drawing 125 TRS. Okay, the payment is very fast in this platform. See, okay, it has been sent to my account here. You see 125 TRS sent to my account just now. Okay, that means this is still paying and is very fast in payment. Okay, just have to take advantage of this site. Okay, I want to explain how this site fully work for new members and the old members who are watching this video. Okay, the first thing that click on this platform pays you 9% every day, guys. It pays you 9%. Want to withdraw, you want to deposit, you click on this recharge. Okay, click on this recharge button here. Okay, and deposit to your, you deposit into your basic account. Yeah, okay, click on this basic account and you can choose any payment method you want. Okay, maybe you have Dutch, you want to deposit Dutch inside, you have USDT, TRS. Okay, just have to choose anyone there and you copy the address given to you and you make the payment into the platform. Simple as that, guys, very simple. Okay, you copy it and you make the payment into the account there. Simple as ABC, guys. After I make the payment, you are going to wait for at least 24 hours. You should be getting your earnings every day from this platform. Every day you'll be getting your earnings from this platform, guys. You can also share your referral links to your friends. Okay, copy your referral link here. Okay, start sharing to your friends. Okay, you can also check the latest announcement about this platform. Okay, this was launched on the September 2017. That has been committed to the creation of the TRX mining. You go for a long time. Okay, that means this platform has been for a long time. It has been for a long time. Okay, the minimum deposit for this platform is 10 TRS and the minimum withdrawal is 5 TRS for this platform. Okay, and you're getting 50 TRS for free. Getting 50 TRS for free, but you can't withdraw the 50 TRS. Take note of that. Okay, you see the daily mining income of the basic account is 9 to 32% of the investment amount. Okay, the time to receive the payment is when you register. Click on this revenue every day, achieve claim benefit. Okay, you can accumulate it. Okay, the first recharge, which you have the 5 to 1000 TRS, gives you 9%. Okay, or from 1000 TRS, 1000 TRS, which is VIP2, gives you 10%. Okay, this platform has been long. I joined this platform and it has been paying as if it is new platform. Okay, you just have to take advantage of this platform and start earning from this platform. Okay, and make sure you want to deposit to the basic account. Don't deposit to the promotion account, because the promotion account you can withdraw for long, like it takes like 1 month or like 2 weeks for you to withdraw from there. Okay, because see, okay, let me show you this now. Okay, depositing to the promo account you see now. Okay, you charge to the promo account, purchase periodic mine. Okay, you want to deposit into this promotion account, you are not advisable to do it, but if you want to, you don't want to do, if you want to do it, this is what you do. You just have to come here, you see invest. Okay, you come here and you purchase their mining machine. Okay, you come down there, okay, and buy one of their machine here. Okay, you can buy the one of 9/10 TRX 9 something. You see here 15 days. It take like 15 days. If you want 15 days, you can check for that. But if you want the one of 90 days, you can also check for that. I'm telling you that just go for the basic account, so we withdrawing every blessed day depending on how much amount you put in this platform, guys. You can also share, you can also talk to the customer care via Telegram group, okay, to get more information about this platform. You can also download the platform app through this site. Okay, I'll drop the link in the description below so that you can also start making money from this platform. Simple as that, guys. For any information you need, you can also ask the customer care for many details. Okay, make sure you like this video, subscribe to this channel, and make sure you turn on bell notification so that you can find me anytime I post any video, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video, guys.